Hey guys, I'm back today with my newly opened box of solar outdoor lights, and today I'll show you what they look like. Once I have them installed in my yard, you're going to see how great they look. All the solar lights, the stakes, and the batteries are already included in the box, so let's just jump right into it. The first thing I'm going to do is insert a AA battery into each light. The positive end of the battery should be pointing upwards, and then all you need to do is screw it in into the light and keep turning until it can't turn anymore. I'm going to repeat that for all of the lights, and as I place each light upside down on the table, notice how you can already see some light illuminating through. But I would recommend to put these outside as early in the day as possible so the light can charge up fully before nightfall. If you charge them all day, say 6 to 8 hours, you'll have the lights on at night for about 8 to 10 hours. Okay, so we've got all the batteries inserted and now we're going to set them up outside with the stakes. And don't forget that you need to remove the little clear plastic film from each of the solar panels at the top of each light. So here's what our front garden looks like currently. We just put some sod down, so there's nothing here at the moment besides some shrubs and bushes. So we'll go ahead and insert the spikes into the metal pipe and then insert the whole thing down into the ground. Make sure you got the pointy end of the spike positioned downwards into the ground. And once you've got them all in the ground, you're ready to insert the light into each one like so. The whole process only took a few minutes, and now we're ready for the sun to do its job and charge them up. Fast forward, and it's now evening, and take a look at how bright these solar lights are. The garden has some extra sparkle, and the great thing is it was so fast and easy to set up.